everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a claim for your youth allowance. So let's start by typing in the web address, which is my.gov.au, which will take you to the login page, and then you add in your username or your email followed by your password. And if you've set up a two-factor authentication, you'll have to fill that in as well. And obviously if you haven't signed up for MyGov yet, you will have to do that first. And this will take you to the MyGov homepage, your homepage, and you would have had to centrelink the service centrelink to your MyGov account. If not, you will have to do that, and I've shown how you can do this in one of my other videos. And you click centrelink now, which will take you to this page here, and then you click on make a claim or view claim status. And then click on make a claim again, which will take you to a page which shows you all the different kinds of claims you can make, including coronavirus claim or concession card claim, and if you're disabled or injured in any way, those kinds of claims are available here as well. But we need the students, trainees and apprentice claim, and then we scroll down and click on youth allowance. But since I've already claimed it, there isn't an option for me to make a claim again. But I will show you what I had to fill in when I did make my claim. And these included details about myself, my name, my legal details, and all these have to be legal information about yourself, and details about my circumstances, including my studies, when I started studying, if I'm living independently or if I'm living with my parents, financial details, if I have any assets, how much money I have in my bank account, how much savings I have, all those kind of information. And then you will have to make a declaration saying that all of this information is true. And also I had to submit a form which included details about my parents' tax returns, and I will show you how to access this form. So we type in mod JY and click on the very first link in Google, and click on this link right here and open it up. There we are, and you fill this all in and ask your parents, of course, because it is their information. And there is quite a bit to fill in, but it's not that hard. And you sign it at the end, submit it to wherever they've asked you to. They usually provide a space where you can submit it. I have provided a link in the description below where you can access the Mod JY form from, so feel free to use it. And also, you will usually hear from Centrelink within 21 days from your submission of your claim, and 2 weeks from that, if your claim has been accepted, you will receive your first payment, and every fortnight from that moment you will receive your payment. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please do leave it in the comments below, and I will try my best to get back to you. And please do let me know if there are any other videos you would like me to make. Do leave it in the comment below.